guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video, which should have been uploaded a week ago. Just had so much on, but thank you so much for your patience. If you're new here, you're so welcome. Here on this channel I do a lot about DIYs, challenges, because I am the challenge queen. Do a lot about rice water and Ayurveda and all these lovely natural herbs and remedies for our hair, to grow our hair nice and long and healthy, and also for your skin. So if you like that kind of thing, you might want to subscribe. And if you're returning, one of my old subscribers, who I call my online friends, welcome back. I love you guys. I absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your conversation and your love. Right, now, let's get straight on to this week's video. So for the next 15 days, we are going to be doing a challenge, okay? We're going to be doing a really great, intense moisture / protein treatment on our hair. I'm going to be using your good old aloe vera, because aloe vera is the queen of moisture. Let's face it. Oh, there isn't much that comes close to aloe vera. Aloe vera, when it comes to moisturizing the hair, aloe vera is really the go-to. The reason why I'm doing this particular challenge is just because purely I need to intensify the moisture and protein at the same time. Yeah, it can be done. I figured I'll put two together that I feel that's really great for protein and one that's really great for moisturizing, because you know I need to reach my goal of waist length hair. So for this month's challenge, month 3, for the next 15 days, this is what we go and do. Okay, so let's roll the film and I'll show you exactly what I'm putting together.
Now, I really do not need to introduce aloe vera. It is an amazing miracle plant that is great for healing, moisturizing and soothing the skin. And basically, aloe vera benefits from 200 different nutrients, including 18 amino acids, which 8 of them are essential amino acids that we actually need. It also carries vitamins and minerals and lots of B vitamins. Now, right here, I am pulping the aloe vera because I do not want to have a very liquidy consistency. I want the application to be manageable, and I want that nice, gooey, thick, gel-like consistency, which I'm going to show you right now. Look at that, nice and thick consistency, nice and gooey. Now, we all know that I'm a lover of the rice water. Now, the reason why I like to use black rice is because it's very high content of antioxidant properties, and that's because of its really rich black color or deep purple hue, and that's similar to blueberries that appear deeper in color because of its content of antioxidants. So I just get it to boil for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I switch off the heat. So here I'm just going to dilute the rice water with some spring water because like I said before, it's very rich and I do not want to have protein overload. So I have my choice of oils is the Amari Me growth oil that I'm adding in right now. It has really great ingredients to promote hair growth like fenugreek and other ingredients. You can check the details down in the description box. But for now, I'm just literally putting probably about a tablespoon of the oil. And now I've decanted both of them, I'm going to use these two for application.
Okay, right, so you've seen what I'm going to be putting into the mix for this next 15 days challenge. So I'd just like to say, with the actual growth oil that you put in, you don't have to put my Amari Me growth oil. I'll leave the details in the description box below if you're interested to find out the ingredients list of the Amari Me growth oil. However, you can put whatever oil you prefer. And another thing as well, you don't have to have black rice. Oh, it's going everywhere, sorry. You don't have to have black rice, you can have white rice. If white rice is all you can reach from your cupboard, use the white rice. But I've got black rice because I just prefer using black rice because it has higher content of nutrients in it and I just love it. So I'm going to be washing my hair every 4 days. I'm back to that thing because every 4 days my hair doesn't get a chance to be tangled I don't get so much frizz. My hair stays really moisturized and it's very, very soft. My hair was just, it was responding to me, and that's how I like it, to submit to me. Let me just show you the hair. Yeah, I've had this on all day. Look at the baby hairs. Can I just say, do you remember last year? Was it last year or the year before that? My baby hairs here were non-existent. Look at them now. My baby hairs have grown nicely. Hey, don't be jealous. I still have a long way to go with the edges, but that's another video, okay? So it was a week ago I washed my hair, and trust me, it needs it. It's not very manageable right now. It's got lots of tangles in. Hey, Mewa. I have to show you. I want to show you, okay? From the extracts of the skins. If I'm doing a pre-poo, this is not new. I would have parted and in my scalp. So on day 3, I'll be doing this. I'll be doing this every day 3 on the night. So on the evening of day 3, this is what I'm going to be doing. All right? It's kind of no point me doing it right now. I should have done it last night, but that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be pre-pooing my hair. You know, I just want to do it. I just want to be part of the Aloe Vera gang. Okay? Then I would wrap it up, put a shower cap on it, silk bonnet or something else so it will hold it down, and sleep overnight, wake up in the morning, wash it out with shampoo and conditioner, and then we are doing this. You understand now? So I'm just going to wash my hair and I'll come back and then we'll continue with the challenge. Okay? So I've washed my hair and I'm really excited to do this because I've been wanting to be part of the Aloe Vera gang for a little while now. Don't know why it took me so long. So the next challenge, I will be measuring my hair and we can see how much growth we've had over that period of time. So first of all, I'm going to put the aloe vera on my hair. This is going to be messy, I know. I probably need a container that has a nozzle so it'll be easier to apply the aloe vera, but hey, we are just going to go ahead and do it, okay? Because we're not all perfect on this channel. We're just going to go with what we've got. So I'm going to be deep conditioning. So I'm getting my roots. Feels so good on my hair. It's so super slippery. Love that. So it's the scalp we're trying to keep healthy. So if our scalp is healthy, we'll definitely be having healthier hair growing. And of course, we've got to look after the ends. Let's see. Curl definition. You coming through? You coming through? Look at the curl definition on that. That is so good. I love it. Ooh, clumping my curls nicely. Look at the shine. Do you all see this definition? It's almost rude. Look how beautiful this definition is. It's actually crazy to know it's just aloe vera, fresh aloe vera on my hair. The slip is amazing. The definition is incredible. No effort whatsoever, just to form definition like this. I mean, it's given me clumped curls. Amazing. So now I'm going to deep condition, put my heated cap on my head for about 15 minutes. That's all it needs. And then I'm going to come back. Okay, let's see. Oh, it feels so good. Anyway, I'm going to go and rinse this out now and then I'll come back and do the next part. Okay, right, so I'm a bit excited right now, okay? Let me catch my breath. So I was detangling my hair. Yeah, Felicia Leatherwolf has died. We have now the EZ. That's another story. But anyway, I was detangling my hair and I thought, what is this? Take a look at my hair. I haven't rinsed it out. I was just detangling my hair. And I thought, I need to come up here and tell my sister. Are you seeing this? I haven't rinsed it out. It's just still got the aloe vera in it. Look at this. Like, in the history of challenges, I have never experienced this. I mean, honestly, my hair looks and feels incredible. Or making a mess. I'm thinking about doing a video where I use this as a leave-in, because my goodness, if my hair looks this good, like this, I'm like, what's the point of, why am I washing this thing out again? If you want me to do a video on using the aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner, I think I want to try that thing. Just let me know if you're interested to see that video, and I'll try it out. Anyway, let's get back onto this challenge. Let me go and rinse it out and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so the next part is to use the leave-in black rice and the oil of your choice. So as usual, I'm going to put a bit of the Mel's Butter Me Up in my hair. You can put whatever moisturiser you want. It's just a little bit. So now all I'm going to be doing is giving this a good old shake, and I'm just going to be putting it into my scalp and then a little bit on my ends. I'm going to massage that in, and then I'm going to go in on the ends. Remember, we're treating the scalp. We're looking after our ends. So a protein and a moisture balance for our scalp and ends. And that is it. That's what I'm going to be doing for this challenge. So I'm just going to quickly dry my hair, just give it a little quick dry, and then I'll show you the finished result, okay? Now my hair is like 80 to 90% dry. That's why I can't go in with Mr. Pick. Otherwise I'm going to ruin the curls and it's going to have a whole load of frizz. You know what I'm talking about, right? But at this stage I just want you to see, kind of like the finished product. Look at the curls. Very, very, very pleased. Look at that beauty. Look at that beautiful. You're so beautiful. So nice. Oh, I'm so pleased. I'm part of the aloe vera gang now. So I'm just going to go over it because I know some of you are going to go ham on the comments down below. They're going, what are you doing? You confused me, man. Just bear with me. You got to keep up, okay? Because this was a little bit complicated. Okay, so here it is. So for the next 15 days, I'll be every 4 days deep conditioning my hair every 4 days. Every 4 days. But on the second time, so the 8th day, I'll be pre-pooing my hair with the fresh aloe vera, going into sections, just rubbing it into my scalp. I will actually be washing my hair because I don't want to miss out on a wash day, okay? So this is the first time I'm doing it. In the next 4 days' time, I will be just deep conditioning my hair, and then the next 4 days after that, I'll be washing my hair and deep conditioning my hair, and then the last 4 days, I'll be just deep conditioning my hair. I don't want to wash my hair every 4 days because I don't want to strip my hair of its natural oils too soon. So the second thing that I'll be doing on this challenge is after I've done the deep condition, I'll be applying this little mixture, this beauty, which is the black rice and any other oil that you want. So they'll be going into the scalp. It will not be going on the whole of the head of the hair. It will be going in the scalp and on the ends. These two babies will be going into the fridge. So the idea is in 16 days we would have really fed and looked after our scalp again. Scalp love is what we are doing. We are working on our scalp, making sure that it is really, really healthy. Yeah, my hair is actually drying nicely as we're speaking, maybe I can just pick this thing out and, you know, make it nice and voluminous. Hey! Anyway, I think that's it now. I've got nowhere to go but bed, so I'm going to end the video right now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you would like me to just do a video that tries, like a tryout, see if we can do the aloe vera as a leave-in, like pure aloe vera. Yeah, I would love to do that. So if you're interested in seeing that video, just let me know in the comments and I will try that video out for y'all. And let me know if you're going to be doing this challenge as well. That's another thing I need to know. I want to know, you know, I need to do it with you guys because otherwise I become a lazy natural, okay? Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. You take care and please stay safe and healthy. God bless you. Bye.